A new video. Today I want to show you a prop firm that you can get a founded trading account so that you can trade with money that someone gives you, and you can make profit so you don't have to risk your own money. So the market situation at the moment is very crazy, so it's a great way to save your own money, to make some money. So you don't have to risk your own money. I want to show you or to present you Apex Trader Founding. I also got founded by Apex Trader Founded. It's a great company. I don't have any issues with it. The support is great and fast, and everything works like it should. So as you can see here, Apex Trader Founding, the benefits are you can get multiple accounts with one login and trade the full size contracts in evolution of or founded accounts, so there is no scaling plan. You don't have drawdowns, and you can trade on holidays and during the news. There's only a one-step evolution process, and you can qualify for the founded account as little as 10 days. So that means if you're reaching the target in 10 days, you will get founded by them. So you will receive 100% of your first $10,000 that you make, and after the $10,000 that you withdraw from them, you will keep 90% and give them 10%. So that's a 90-10 split. I think that's more than fair. So you don't have to risk your own money, and you will get 90% from the profits then that you make. So as you can see here, minimum days 10 trading days to get founded. You can trade 23 hours a day. So you have to close the trade after 23 hours. You can't trade during the market is closed. So you have to reopen it if you want to trade over the night, when the market opens. So you have a 1 hour break. You can trade during the news, and you can go maximum position size. So then you have a $25,000 account, a 50, 75, 100, 150 and 250. And also a $300,000 account. So you can check these accounts out. I will recommend, my personal recommendation is a $50,000 account, $150,000 accounts, or the 300. Everything else for me doesn't make much sense, but everyone can choose the size that they want. So also if you don't get if you hit the daily loss limit or something, you hurt your account because you broke any rules, you can reset them also and start new. So it's $85 per reset, and you can start again and make the qualification for that. And the great thing is for you now, I have a discount for you that is available for all of these accounts, no matter which one you choose. It's a 50% off on every payment that you have here for the evolution program. So if you use my code, my discount code, you get 50% off. I think that's a great opportunity for you to start with that. So you can save 50%. Don't risk your money to trade on the markets during these crazy times. You make money, save money, and you get a founded trading account. So you are just winning. So if you are interested, use the coupon code and get 50% off, and share it with your friends if are also if you have also friends that are interested in trading. And yeah, that's from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just write it in the comments. I will try to answer all of your questions. So thank you, and we see us in the next video.